loves, it's Sam and the little Fiona, the naughtiest dog of life. Oh, she was so naughty last night. So she wakes up at 3 a.m. I take her out to go potty. She's out there for like 10 minutes just fiddle farting around. I try to get her because I was like, you know what, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm done with you. And so I try to pick her up. She runs around all over the yard so that I can't get her. So then I'm like, whatever, I'm gonna go in. And then she'll finally come to the door. So I go in, and right as I'm going in, she sneaks past me, runs like a crazy lunatic into our bedroom, which she's not allowed to go into because we have carpet in there. Goes underneath the bed and poops. Right in the spot of the bed, right in the middle of the bed where I can't reach because we have like a bed where you can't climb under. And then I spent like the next 5 or 10 minutes trying to get her out from under the bed so that I could put her away and go back to sleep. But today, I am going to be doing a Jewlybox unboxing. Now, you guys know I have done Jewlybox unboxings before, but I think they've recently kind of revamped, kind of changed things up a little bit. So they used to be monthly. I'm just reading all of the information. I do have a coupon code. The coupon code is SAM, and that's going to give you guys $20 off of your first box. So the box is 3 pieces of 14 karat or rhodium plated jewelry, and it's every other month. It's every other month, and it is $49.99 every other month. So you're gonna get 6 boxes a year. So before it was every month, and I think the pieces weren't necessarily 14 karat gold. So I think they've kind of stepped up the quality of their jewelry, and they've just kind of made it so that it's not quite as frequent, so that you don't have to worry about spending $49.99 a month. It's customizable, so you can select silver or gold depending on your preference. Each box is valued at about $200. Definitely a great deal because you're getting it for $49.99. And if you use that coupon code, then you'll get it for what? $29.99 for your first box, and then $49.99 thereafter. So this collection is for September and October. The next one will be shipping November 1st. So it comes in a box like this, which I think that's different because it used to come in like a little package. Are you gonna be a good girl or are you gonna be a little naughty one? You get up there. She can't jump down yet. Inside you get this little pamphlet right here. Okay, so once you open it up, it has a few little blurbs about 3 inspirational women. Then it has the 3 items that you're gonna be receiving inside of your Jewlybox. They also have a sister company which is called Parlor Jewelry, and inside they give you a 20% off discount. And then you have the box that comes with like the little sparkly wiggly stuff. I don't know what that stuff's called. And then you get a little, ooh, the box is actually really pretty. It's a long box like this with the little tassel, and then it just says Jewlybox. So there's someone like parked right outside of our house right now because they're doing construction, and I'm like sitting here in front of my window talking to you. So it looks like I'm a weirdo. Then it says inside, get it, love it, repeat, which is really, really cute. I love the packaging. I feel like the packaging looks very, it just kind of has more of a luxurious vibe compared to the other ones where it was, I mean, it was still like the little baggies were really cute that it came in, but because it has this little box with the tassel, it just kind of looks a little bit more, just more luxury. So the very first thing, they come in these little bags. Again, the bags say Jewlybox, get it, love it, repeat in gold. So those are really cute to keep your jewelry inside. So this one is a bracelet. This is the Natalie. Oh, I see. So the pieces are inspired by the people in the little pamphlet. So this one is the Natalie. Her name is Natalie Ellis. This is 14 karat gold plated silver. It's an imitation rhodium plated. Cubic zirconia, and its comparable retail value is $72. It's really, really pretty. There we go. So see how pretty that is? I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. What I love about this one is that it's just like a little pull string. So you don't have any clasps, which I love because when you have nails like I do, those clasps can be such a pain. So it just has like the little ball that you just pull open. This is one that I always wear, but look how pretty that is. You can keep it really nice and tight because of that little ball clasp thing, and then it just has the little dangle. That is so cute. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? It catches the light really beautifully. It feels really nice and lightweight on the wrist. So this one is the crystal. It says, one of the most unique necklaces you will ever find and our best-selling item in the Girl Boss collection. This necklace has sparkle on one side with our cubic zirconia crystals and is plain on the other side to allow you to wear it whichever way you like and change it. Oh, that's fun. You can wear it as a choker and the adjustable closure, with the adjustable closure, or layered up, your choice. Again, this is adjustable to 18 inches, gold, 14 karat gold plated silver, imitation rhodium plated, cubic zirconia, and the comparable retail value is $78. So these are really delicate, and again, one side is gold and then one side is the cubic zirconia, but it kind of looks like it's like, I don't know, when it's like little dents in the gold, that's what it looks like. So you can wear it either way, which I think is really cool. Oh, darn it, I thought I had it, but I don't. Oh, did it. Nailed it. Oh God, that is so cute. Okay, I think, do I have my cactus? Is it all, yeah, it's all caught up with my cactus. There we go. Okay, look how pretty that is. That is so cute. So my cactus is like in the way, but you guys get the idea. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my God, I just love that. That's like the perfect length, but you can also make it longer if you need to. That's so cute, and it catches the light so nicely too. Okay, last but not least is the Megan. Again, it comes in the little bag. Also, I'm wearing the Urban Decay Honey palette today, so if anyone's wondering what's on my eyes, they're a little darker than usual. That's what I'm wearing. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. Okay, oh, one of them fell out. They're cute little earrings. These ones are the 14 karat gold plated silver, imitation rhodium plated cubic zirconia. Comparable value is $62. So let me just take out my little studs and stick those in the other hole. Sometimes I forget that I have so many ear holes. And then I'm like, oh, you have so many ear holes. You should do stuff with them more. I really want to switch out the hoop that I have on the top of my ear. I haven't changed it out since I got it pierced when I was 16. I can't actually physically remove it though. It's like super stuck. But I really want to get like a cuter hoop because it's silver and I really want gold. Okay. Oh, those are so cute. They're very lightweight, which I love, because a lot of the time when you do wear hoops, they're so heavy that it, like, especially for me, my ears are very sensitive, so then I can get the crusty dusties, you know, when it's pulling too much. That's never fun. It's like I've had my ears pierced since I was 13, and yet I still get like little ear where they get all gross. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I love those. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. It literally just feels like you have a stud in your ear, but then you got a cute little dangler. That's so cute. Okay, so overall, I would say I love every single piece. There's not one piece that I don't love. And again, you get the choice if you want to do silver or gold, so it's really just up to you on what you prefer. I think gold looks really good when you have a tan, and since most of the time I am either self-tanned or I'm actually, this is all real tan right now, which is like amazing. I haven't done self-tan for, it's been like months, I think. I don't remember the last time we did a self-tan. It was been a long time, but we've been spending so much time outside with the kids and at the pool that I have a real tan for once in my life. But I think gold just looks really pretty on tan skin. But I love this bracelet because I can't feel it. It's not wobbling around or anything. I just like really lightweight, delicate pieces. And this necklace catches the light so beautifully, and I can layer it with my little cactus that I wear all the time. And then again, these earrings are so cute. I'm just so happy. What a fabulous little box. They did a really good job. I love the new packaging. The box is really cute. The little baggies are cute. I love that it comes with like this full-on little pamphlet here. So yes, overall, I'm very impressed. I think the jewelry is gorgeous. It's just like exactly what I would go for. It's very delicate, very simple. So I hope you guys found that helpful and enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. I will leave that coupon code down for you guys as well. Again, it is SAM. That's gonna save you $20 off of your first box. And then from there on out, you would be spending $49.99 every other month. So you're gonna get 6 boxes for the year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Again, don't forget to check that description box for the link. It'll take you right on over to Jewlybox. You can save $20 with my coupon code, and hopefully you guys will love it just as much as I do. I'd have to say out of all the pieces, I'll probably end up wearing this one the most, the little necklace. I just think that's gorgeous. I love the length of it too. And I love that it is reversible. You can do with little bling, or you can just do it the gold. And I think either way is really cute. So there you guys go. Love you guys so very much. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.